Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix iPhone suddenly shut down. If your iPhone suddenly shuts down, it could be due to a variety of reasons like software glitches, battery issues, or overheating. Here are several steps to help you troubleshoot and fix the problem. First method, a forced restart can fix temporary software glitches causing your iPhone to shut down. Hold the power button of your iPhone, then swipe to power off, then turn it back on a few seconds. Another method, check battery health. An aging or degraded battery might cause sudden shutdowns. Go to Settings, Battery health and charging. Check the maximum capacity and peak performance capability. If it says the battery health is significantly degraded, consider getting the battery replaced at an Apple store. Another method, update iOS. Software bugs can cause shutdowns and often fix these bugs. Go to the Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest iOS version if available. Another method, free up storage space. Running low on storage can cause performance issues, including random shutdowns. Go to the Settings, General, iPhone Storage to check your available space. Delete unused apps, large files, or to offload, tap on the app, then tap on Offload app to offload some content to free up storage. Another method, disable background app refresh. Too many apps running in the background can strain the battery and cause shutdowns. Go back to General, Background app refresh, and either turn it off entirely or limit it to essential apps. Another method, reset all settings. If the issue persists, resetting all settings can help eliminate software-related problems. Go to the Settings, General, Transfer or Reset. Reset all settings. This won't erase your data, but will reset Wi-Fi passwords, VPN settings, and other preferences. Another method, check for hardware damage. Physical damage such as water exposure or damaged battery can cause shutdowns. Inspect your iPhone for any signs of damage. Last method, if none of the above steps work, the issue could be hardware related, for example, battery or logic board failure. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for professional help or a battery replacement. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.